Good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to all the videos whenever I post them, and you can also click on like. Uh, Today we look at volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. To begin with, the general formula for volume of any solid figure is basically equal to base area times height. So you will need to know the shape of the base and you just multiply it by the height. It will give you the volume of that particular solid figure. In this case, if we talk about a cylinder has a shape which is in form of a circle, and then we find the area of that circle, then multiply it by height. We'll find the volume of a cylinder. So the general formula, V is equal to A times H, or base area times height. But in particular with a cylinder, if we are to answer this one, we say volume is equal to base area. Now, if you look at the base, it's a circle. So this circle, the area for a circle is simply pi r squared, then times h. We multiply the h, so it therefore becomes V is equal to pi r squared h. You can memorize this formula so that every time you are asked about a cylinder, it's easy for you to solve it. So in this case, we look at what we are given. The question tells us pi is equal to 22/7, then r, that is the radius. If we check, we have 7 here, meaning even here it is 7. So that is our radius, and then the height from here up to the top, it is 10 centimeters. So we'll say volume is equal to, the pi is 22/7 times r, it is 7 squared, and then the height is 10, just like that. So meaning V is equal to 22/7 times. Now, what's the meaning of 7 squared? 7 squared means we multiply 7 by itself twice and not 7 times 2. So we'll say 7 multiplied twice, which is 7 times 7, then times 10. So we can simplify 7 there 1, 7 there 1. 7 times 22 is 154. 154 times 10 is 1,540. So this becomes the volume. And then the units, always ensure that you cube the units. So since they were in centimeters, we'll say 1,540 cubic centimeters. That is going to be our answer. The second example says calculate the volume of a cylinder of radius 8 centimeters and height 15 centimeters. Then we are told use pi equals 3.14. So basically in grade or at grade 9 level, pi can be given as 3.14. That is to 2 decimal places. If you are not given 22/7. But at senior level, it's to 3 decimal places. So that would be 3.142. That is pi. So we use what we are given. Volume is equal to pi r squared h. Now the information given, our pi is 3.14, our radius is 8 centimeters, and then our height is 15 centimeters. So with this information, all you do is just plug it into the formula. So we'll say V is equal to pi, that is 3.14. Here where there is pi, we put 3.14 times r, 8. The 8 should be squared, and then times height. The height is 15. So we can put the 15 there. Volume is therefore equal to 3.14 times, meaning 8 times 8 here, which is times 15 there. That's the meaning. And then if we multiply all these, we are getting something like 3014.4. So volume is equal to 3014.4. They are centimeters, and we are saying you cube the units. The units are centimeters, therefore we say cubic centimeters. So that would be the answer for our question. Thank you for watching. For today we leave it here.